Hello everybody, a new video today about Remit University, and this is the last video about this university and the website of this university. Today we will explain the last section in Remit University website, such as news, and if we click on it, we will see the last news related to Remit University, such as women critical of future of Australia's cybersecurity report, and in this report they say that a new report by Remit Center for Cybersecurity Researches and Innovation CCSRI has highlighted the stark underrepresentation of women in the cybersecurity workforce. And if you want to read the article, you can click here, read the story, find an expert, media results, and contact Remit News. And this is another article about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency crime means harsher time. And this is another article in Remit University. 10 years of impact in Europe and videos. So if you click on news on Remit University, you can see news and videos and records which talk about the last news in Europe and America and Australia. And if you click here on events, wait after the page loaded. Wait after the page loaded and picture loaded. This is the first event. I'm interested in events about. Remit is hosting webinars, presentations, and interactive topics and some letters about events on Remit University. If you want to attend any of these events, you can click on it and read more about it. After that, we have library section. We will wait after the page loaded. Or we will go to maps. Here you can click on any of these 6 buttons, which are called courses live at RMT, and if you want to be a partner with our MIT University partner, and if you are an international student and if you want to do researches about courses, and if you want to study with them, you can call them in Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Reddit. Okay, and you can go back to home by clicking here on home to go to the main page of website. So here we explain all the website of Remit University, and I will see you guys on the next video. But as first, we will explain about current students, because we didn't explain the sections, and the study tools and support. My desktop free software, Study, Google Scholar, study support, scholarships, easy site, refreshing, and popular page. And after that, we explain all about Remit University, and we can then now go to the main page of the website, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.